Well, it's summertime. That means it's time for some good food. So break out them hot dogs and that barbecue and let's put them together. Let's make us a bacon wrapped barbecue dog on the Blackstone. Man, I'll tell you what, I love some hot dogs on the Blackstone. It sears them so perfectly. But then you wrap it in bacon. We're going to top it with some barbecue. And we got something else we're going to do too. I'm not going to tell you right now. You got to watch and see. It's going to be a little thing I'm going to try. I haven't tried it yet. We're going to try it first time on here, see how it works out. But stick around. You're going to like this one. And by the ingredients, you can really tell it ain't going to take a whole lot of stuff to put this together. And that's the good thing about doing these kind of hot dog kind of cooks. There's so many variations you can do, but it really don't take a lot of ingredients. That's the great thing about it. So now's a good time to go on and fire up that Blackstone and get things heating up. Because it's summertime, it's hot, them kids are getting hungry. We got to get to cooking. So let's go ahead and prep everything up while that griddle's getting hot, and let's get to cooking. And now the really good thing about a cook like this, very little prep, very little prep. Of course, I am using some barbecue that I made the other day. If you need to go to the store and buy some, by all means do it, you can. Best to make homemade, but either way, get you some barbecue. So not a whole lot of prep there. Pretty much all we're gonna do is, got some ballpark bun length Franks right here. All beef, of course. And we're just gonna take them and put them in this bacon blanket. We're just gonna wrap them in bacon here. They ain't gotta be pretty, they just gotta be wrapped. Kind of like that right there. Good enough. So we just get both of them wrapped. Not a very good wrapper, am I? That's okay though. I get it done. There you go. Prep's done. Let's go check on that griddle. Well, there's that white smoke. That means it's time to get some groceries up on the griddle. Let's go ahead and throw our dogs on here. Put them right there. Oh, I forgot. I didn't give my test clicks. I sure am glad these work though, because I didn't test them out first. But grab you up some seasoning. That's right. We got bacon on the dogs. We're also going to season them. Seasoned bacon hot dogs. I mean, you know these are going to be good. I mean, this can't be bad. It's hot dog wrapped in bacon with some seasoning. And right now, this griddle is smelling amazing too. And for right now, all you want to do is just kind of roll these around. Yeah, they work. Just give them a flip, a flippy flip. See how that bacon's starting to cook up and them dogs are starting to cook? Yeah, buddy. That's what you want right there. It won't take long at all for these. Y'all, these dogs are almost done. Didn't take long at all. I mean, look at the color we're getting on here. So now we're gonna heat up this barbecue. Just gonna put it over here. But I am gonna go ahead and turn these burners down to about low, almost low. Because them hot dogs are pretty much where I want them. I don't want to burn my barbecue, just want to start warming it up here. And grab some cheese. Let's, not really sure how to do this here. I think I'm gonna put some cheese right here. We're gonna see how this works. We're gonna try to wrap this in fried cheese. Something I just thought about as I was getting the ingredients together. And I'm like, you know, this will be good, but it could be better. And it's always better when it's wrapped in fried cheese. I mean, come on, let's just be honest. Barbecue smelling good. Look at these hot dogs back here, y'all. Yes, sir. So let's go ahead and toast up our buns. Now, I'm not gonna open these buns up. I'm just gonna toast them on either side. I think I'll put them back here, like that. All right, y'all. Let's see what we can do with this cheese here. I'm not really good at wrapping this, but we're gonna try it and see how it works. Maybe I should have put it from the side, but that's okay. We'll get it to going. We'll get it to going here. Oh, it's working, it's working. Just taking a little time, a little patience, but it's working. I'm not mad about that. There we go. Okay. Yeah, looking pretty good, I think. Let's try this one from the side, though. Make it a little easier. You think? Maybe? Might have used too much cheese, but that's okay. You know that bacon wrapped dog is down in there. Good enough, good enough. So now, finish toasting up these buns and we're gonna build these things. We're gonna move these hot dogs back into the back. Barbecue is looking really good here, smelling even better. Let's see, getting a little toast on these buns. Let's flip them over and just toast the other side real quick. Man, this is looking amazing. I ain't gonna lie, I'm kinda used too much cheese. I kinda really did. I kinda wanted the hot dogs to stick out, but right there it is. But you know that bacon wrapped, seasoned bacon wrapped hot dog is down in there. You got this barbecue over here smelling just right, and look at the toast we're getting on these buns, y'all. I say it's time to build these things. So, I think I'm gonna grab my cutting board here. Let's move our dogs out of the way. Put our cutting board down. Let's get a hot dog. The reason I'm doing this, instead of just holding them, these hot dog buns are hot. And I mean really hot, but that's okay, that's what we want. So, let's grab one of our cheesy, bacony hot dog right here. Kind of open this bun up a little bit, let it take it all. There we go. This one right here got a lot of cheese. I really put the cheese to that one, didn't I? That's okay. Now, put a little barbecue on them. Come on, there we go. Let's take them over here and finish dressing them. Come on. Now, honestly, these dogs will be good like they are, but I'm gonna go ahead and make them like I want them. I'm gonna give me some pickled red onions. And we're gonna just put some of them on there, because pickled red onions and barbecue, just to me, go together. Just my preference. A lot of people don't like pickled red onions. I got people in the house, they're weird. They just don't like them. What can you say? Some people are just weird. Trying to get some on here. Don't want too many. There we go. And I mean, it's a barbecue dog. We already have some barbecue on there, but let's add a little more sauce here. I kind of need some more, don't I? Getting low on my Duke's sauce here. Let me know what kind of sauce you like. Just a little bit of sauce, and why not just a tad bit of post dust on here? Just a tad bit. Don't need a lot. There you go. My hot dogs are done. Now I want to know, before we go any farther, what you would put on these dogs. What would you put? Pickled, I mean, I got pickled onion, but would you put like sauteed onions on it maybe? Maybe some jalapenos, that'd be good. Banana peppers, limitless options, but I think right here, these are gonna be good. But before I try them out, you know what I gotta do? I gotta show you these things up close. I gotta take some pictures, some thumbnails, some reels, all kind of things, and I just gotta try them out. But I am really loving how these turned out. Even with all that extra cheese, maybe it's not too much cheese. Some people love a lot of cheese, but these right here just look amazing to me. You know, all them flavors are just piled on top of each other in these dogs also. I say we go ahead and take a bite. So what'd you think about that? I mean, these to me look amazing. I love them pickled red onions on top too, but you know, I gotta try one out. We'll grab this one right here. Got a little weight to it too. Perfect. Oh yeah. Cheese wrap was a great idea. That barbecued and pickled red onions, that bacon, that seasoned hot dog, just everything. Toasting them buns, everything right here worked out exactly like I was wanting it to. And I don't think I would change anything. I really don't. But let me know what you might change. And let me know if you make these. If you make these, please share it out and tag me. I would love to see what y'all out there create. Whatever you create on the Blackstone or wherever you create it, tag me. I'd love to see y'all's creations. Who knows? Maybe I might try to recreate one. Can't never tell. But right now, I'm going to take this in, let one of the kids try these things, and hope you enjoy these 2 videos, and we'll see you next time.